love your sister. Mm-hmm. Oh, careful, careful.
Ow.
What are you doing to her pants? Why? Why are you pulling her pants up?
Anna.
Weird child, you.
Is this what you want? Is this it?
I have no idea. Olivia! Olivia! What are you doing?
You want your pajamas
Olivia.
on? Take your pants off. If you want your pajamas on,
Hi,
you take
what are you doing?
your pants off if you want your pajamas on.
You trying to get your toes? Where are you, Anna?
Where are you?
Hi. Hey, cutie. Baby. Olivia. Get your toes. I'm trying to get your toes. Look at you sitting like a big girl. What did Sissy do to your pants, huh? Hi. Hey. Olivia. Libby. Hey. You see Joy? You watching Joy? Libby's gonna get her first taste of what Anna calls avocado. Applecado.
Applecado.
Just avocado.
Hi.
Libby. Livia.
Open. Stop looking at me.
This is avocado. This is avocado.
What do you think?
Hmm? Num, 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 num.
They're delicious.
Did you get any in your mouth?
No, she got a little bit.
Oh.
You try another spoon? Another bite?
Don't bother me.
I got mine.
Good job.
You gonna chew it?
Avocado.
just letting it sit in her mouth.
What are you eating?
Daddy.
Don't put your food in my food after you chewed it. Nope.
What is that? Delicious.
No.
Got fun? My mirror is all spot.
One of my longer quiet times, because Jill is a much more mature prayer than I am. Told me you need to do this for our quiet times, prayer times. So I did.
Nico. Good job. Say happy birthday, Nico. I hope you heard that because that was really low. Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Good job.